Next is the 90s masterpiece models from Tamiya, Calsonic Skyline GTR GRA from Upscale Hobbies. Just got this the other day and it looks like a lot of fun. So I've done 2 Calsonics Skylines, and the one was one of my first ones, didn't come out so great. One I finished, I don't know, 4 or 5 models ago and was really happy with it. So let's see what's in the box. Okie dokie. Let's get rid of that plastic. Alright. So, first off, the wheels. They are super shiny chrome. So, may tone them down a little bit. Seat, steering wheel, rear view mirrors, tires, slicks, pins. You can see here's a sprue, but it's split into 2. Let's open this up. See what the deal is. Alright. You can tell this is a little bit of an older model, but still looks fun. Roll cage is pretty much simple. Here's a radiator, brakes. Next sprue is the tub. A little bit of detail in there, not so great. Dashboard looks okay. Another radiator, exhaust. Let's see. One big grey sprue. Chassis, engine parts. Looks okay. Okay, here's the body. Let's see what this looks like. Couple of mold lines. Looks pretty cool though. Needs a little bit of cleanup. A few mold lines. Yeah. Let's see. Last but not least, the glass. The glass is good. Oh, look at the hood of the bonnet is see-through. Bizarre. Wonder why it's that way. Oh well. Decals, small decal sheet. Should be decent to do. And then instruction manual. Let's see how many steps. One of the old fold-out manuals. Oh, only 14. Really? Only 14 steps. That's not bad, right? So, let's see how it comes out. And here is the final model. Let me know what you think. There's a couple of dust spots here. It's not completely perfect, but I'll be honest, I really enjoyed it. I changed out the exhaust tips, as you can see. I think they look better. I really enjoy these Calsonic cars for some reason. I think I'll build another one or two. So thanks everybody for watching. Let me know your comments. Be nice, not too harsh. And let's see what's up next. Thanks everybody.